Good morning. 안녕하세요. Today we got a really cool home. It's kind of like a cottage feel for the home itself. I got to wear a mask today. We got some quarantine rules in a lot of parts of the U.S. And we have to wear some masks outside because of that second corona outbreak. But if you can hear me well enough through my muffled mask, let's go ahead and take a look inside. When we're walking in, I really like this. This is a little delivery box here for your mail. That's a cool thing that they added here. I'm going to take my shoes off. Alright, the first thing you notice when you walk into this home is the lounge space. This is probably the biggest open space of the home, and it feels even more open with the back windows here that lead to the backyard. This is probably my personal favorite space of the home, and it really pops out as soon as you walk into the home. But let's go ahead and take a look at the living room. Before we hit the living room, this is a little dining area. And then we walk over here, and we hit the living room. I really like the skylight in the top of the living room. And the fireplace, some parts of this home are renovated, and they have that touch of modern. But they left this fireplace alone, it looks like, and kind of that old school feeling for that fireplace. Really cool. It's connected to the kitchen, so that open floor plan, which is nice. The kitchen looks to be renovated, and although this is not stone or marble, it looks like it is, even though it's just laminate countering. So everything looks good on the eyes in the kitchen. Okay, extending from the living room, we can walk into the greenhouse. I'm not sure if this was added on or not. It looks pretty new. Relatively to the rest of the home, it looks new. But it's really nice in here. Even got a little, it looks like a heating system here, or a ventilation system. And some plants, of course, because it's a greenhouse. But through the greenhouse, we can walk into the backyard. This is probably one of the highlights of the home as well. That lounge room in the beginning was. This is also one of the highlights of the house. You can see the creek in the back with a really cool view. And the bark mulch here is new, as well as the grass. It looks like the grass is still growing in, and they just laid that down. So this backyard had work done recently. You can see the barbecue in the back corner here, and the fireplace, which is really awesome. They even left you some wood to start that fire. And on the left side, you can see a dining area, so you can have an outdoor picnic. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms. To the left of the house, we'll walk into this area back here. This is the master bedroom, and it looks well staged. So they had people come in to prep the home and stage it. So I really like that setup there. It looks pretty cool. Pretty simple for a master bedroom, nothing too extravagant. I do like this tile backsplash, the hexagon tiles. It's not real tile, but I believe it's rubber, that's what it feels like. But it looks great in this area, accented on that wall. Got the sink, the shower, toilet, and then the master closet as well. Not a too big master closet, but a snug walk-in closet. And this master bedroom also leads into the backyard, which has that dining area that we saw earlier. All right, and through the hallway, this is the one of the restrooms of the home, full restroom. We have an office space or a bedroom. They turned this into office space, and we have a closet as well. I like the big window in that corner. And then we have the second or third bedroom, excuse me, or another office space if you want to make it an office space. All right, so this home is staged. So someone came in. I'm gonna restart. Hold on. Let me go. All right, what was really unique about this home is that it was prepped. I said it and mentioned it earlier, by a staging service. So here in America, we have different companies that offer a staging service. All this furniture is owned by that company, and they come in to prep the home that is vacant when a previous buyer moves out and wants to sell their home, and make it look appealing to someone that may be buying the home. So that's what I was notified, is that this service is uncommon in different countries, but in America, this is what we know to be the staging service. And then, you want me to Alright, cut. 구독, 좋아요 많이 해주세요. Thank you for joining us today. This home is really snug and a cottage home. It does have a lot of light. You can pan over to the left and see that big window once again, which is really unique and kind of makes the house feel bigger than it is. But it is a snug home, a decent sized backyard. Would be great to rent out or a good family starter home. Thank you for joining and God bless.